Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have December's little bee box and little bee hair accessories. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so December little bee box and little bee hair accessories box just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys watched last month's, that was literally like my hands down favorite box so far. I mean, I love this box. I just love the concept. I love everything inside. But last month was absolutely adorable. So I cannot wait to dive in and see what's going to be in the December box. They always come in these really nice constructed boxes that you could always save, store things in. They're always constructed so well, so I'd rather repurpose than throwing them away. So just wanted to point that out. And it says, we are with you in every step of the way. And when we open it up, there's a card right on top that says, thank you for your purchase. And it has their social media on the back. And then you have the card for the month. So this month, December, it says, make it great. So that is the theme. It says, one way to make it great is to create new traditions. Consider starting a new tradition that reflects your family's values and interests. Whether it's a themed movie night, a DIY ornament making session, or festive outdoor activity, creating traditions can make the season memorable. I know a lot of families even get together to like make Christmas cookies and decorate and stuff like that. So there's always some cool little thing you can do with your family to make it a tradition to do every year, especially it's something to look forward to. So that's great. Make it great. And then on this side, it's going to go over the items and it'll tell you the pricing on how much everything is. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. It says thank you, and then it's the red tissue paper. And there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So right on top is a book. And I always tell you, this box, if you don't know, goes to my friend's baby. Actually, I really can't say she's a baby anymore. She turns 1 year old like next week. She turns a year. We just had her year birthday party last weekend. So pretty soon, this little one is going to be 1 year. So she loves to be read to. She loves books. So this is awesome that there's books in this box. And it says, do the right thing, a book about integrity. And look at the little turtle down there. Turtle, turtle. Did you guys see that we got a new little baby turtle? My man's mom found it just perfectly just right hatched, I think. It was so tiny and it's doing good so far. But yeah, that was cute to see a little turtle there because now I have a new turtle. So this is what it looks like inside of the book. So Do the Right Thing reading book, valued for $6.50. Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, we have this toy. It looks like a little cheeseburger. Look, there's the cheese, the patty. That's like really like it. Like your bun's always bigger than your patty. So that's like really like true. You have the little crinkle, and then you can attach this to anything right there. Now, I don't know if this is going to be in different styles or if they're all going to be like this little cute cheeseburger, but this says Bright, I wonder if this is, yeah, Bright Stars Teether Toy, $10.88. But I just think that's so cute because it's like the little, ooh, my dog might think that's her. Yep, she's already perked up and like ready to get it now. My dog thinks that might be her toy. No, baby, that's not for you. Sorry, I shouldn't have squeaked that. But yeah, so you have your cheese, you have your patty that has a squeaker, and then you have your tomato. I just think that looks so neat. Again, $10.88. So then now we have is this a little, it's a spoon. This says modern baby silicone spoon. That's a good size spoon. It's not like a small little tiny spoon. And yeah, it's a nice little silicone spoon, valued for $6.49. There's that. Now we have is the outfit. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says it's by Willow and Whimsy. It has this onesie right here and it says sweet like mama. What size is this? 6 to 9 months. She's still super tiny, so we're not even putting her in 12 months yet. We are not. So here is the onesie. It comes with the cute little hair thing right here with the little bow, which matches. And then the pants. Oh my gosh, these look like the little bell bottoms. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, she is going to look adorable. And now she's like standing on her own. This girl is going to be walking anytime now, but she's like getting up and standing on her own. She's going to start taking those steps soon. I know it, but she's going to look super, super cute in this outfit. And I really, really love that even though this is December, it's not a Christmas print, but it does have this dark like burgundy color, which is definitely a great color for this season. So I love that it's not a Christmas pattern, but yet it is still festive for this month. So there is the outfit. That is so cute. So Willow plus Whimsy 3-piece set valued for $30.49. That is so cute. I cannot wait to see her in it. Now we have is the gift for the mom. There's always some type of gift in here, and I think this one I'm taking too. One other time I did take the free gift because I normally gift her this entire box. So anything that's in there, even for the mom, she gets. But I think 2 months back, there was a really, really cool like makeup bag and it had a butterfly on it, and I'm just obsessed with butterflies. So I'm like, sorry girl, I'm taking that one. This one I think I'm gonna take too. I just think that is the cutest packaging. It does say a free gift for you. Let me remove that so you can see the bottom image as well. Isn't that so cool? And then let's get it. It says easy open. Maybe you pull that to get it easy opened. There we go. And I think this would look really cute like sitting in my crystal area because of like, you know, it has like the eye and the sun and the moon. I just think that would look really cool sitting in my crystal area. So sorry girl, I'm taking this one. I'm gonna keep the free gift. But I just think that's so cool that they do put a free gift in there for the mom, so it's not all for the baby. There's just something like a little free little mystery gift for the mom. So this one says scented candles, natural soy wax, stress relief. Free gift. Stress relief. Is there lavender in here then? Hold up. I don't see anything about the scent anywhere. Is that lavender in there? I don't know. If it is, then I'm not thinking of burning this one anyways. I was thinking of just letting it sit. So if it's closed, I'm not going to smell anything either way. So I don't know if it's lavender in there or not, but if it is, I definitely won't burn it, but I wasn't planning on it anyways, but I just think that's so cool. And then there's one item left in this box, and it is for a handprint. Baby's print ornament. That is really cool because no matter what age your child is, you can have it for this year and you can write like 2023. So then that year, you know, their little handprint. So hopefully she makes this for her and puts it on the tree. I hope she does. But it comes with everything that you need to roll it out, press it, and to make it. That is so cool. So you have this right here, baby print ornament, valued for $14.99. So that is everything for the December box. You have the handprint ornament, and if she already has one for the hand, or if anybody already has one for the hand for this year, you could always do their feet, because I've even seen people make like really cute reindeers out of like little feet and the little toes and stuff, or you can just have the little feet prints instead of the hand print. So you have options. Or if you already have your child, you could always do your pets or something like that. So you can definitely use that in multiple ways. You do have the 3-piece outfit, which is super, super cute. You have the teething toy, the silicone spoon, you have the book, and then the free gift for the mom. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the December Little Bee box. Let's go ahead and dive into the Little Bee hair accessories box, and you can see what is inside of here. You can save these as well, even if you wanted to organize their hair accessories. You can write right here like the color, and you can have all the colors in there, or you can write like ponytail, clips, barrettes, and you can organize them if you wanted to. But I just like these boxes. Again, it's made so well, so I just wanted to throw that out there. You have the card for the Little Bee hair accessories saying thank you and about their social media. And then down inside of this one, that's what it looks like. And I'm glad, again, I'm not seeing like a whole lot of holiday, because these can be used anytime. This is absolutely adorable. It looks like a little ice cream cone, and that would be cute if she put that on her, like on her actual birthday, because, you know, it's kind of like birthday-ish, I think. But there's the little, oh, could it be a unicorn too? Maybe it could be a unicorn as well. I think it was an ice cream cone, but it could be a unicorn unicorn as well. Who knows? Whatever you want it to be. And it's like this to clip it on. There's a little bit of glue. Let me take that off. So yeah, you have that. Then you have two of these little clips here, which would be super cute. Like if she put them on like both sides, or if she could finally get her hair into little picky tails. Not yet. We got it into a ponytail, but not little picky tails just yet. So here's the two little pink bows, and they have, oop, there went one of the pink bows. And it's like this. Oh, and then there's this one. That would be cute in her hair for a ponytail though, because it's super small, like a petite little bow. That is oh, there's two of them. That is cute. Even if we could get them into pickies, but even if it's just one, that would be adorable. So you have two of those as well. And then you have this 4-piece set here. And those are actually going to match the outfit because it has like the pink and the burgundy. Oh my gosh, those would be so cute in her hair as well. So that is everything that comes in the hair accessories box. You have this 4-piece set. You have this, it could be an ice cream cone or a unicorn horn, whichever you would like. You have the two bows, one of them shot off over there, but there's two of these, and then two of these. All right, so that is everything for the hair accessories box and the little bee box. What did you guys think of them? What do you think of the theme? What do you think of the products that were put in each one? Definitely let me know. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, to save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. The Little Bee Box. Each box includes 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. There's several different questions that it asks you when you do check out, so it can be tailored for the child, especially like the age, the gender, and then like when it goes to the hair accessories, it even asks you like sparkly, not sparkly colors. So you do have a lot of questions that they ask you so they can tailor the box to the child that it's going to, and I love that. So for the Little Bee Box, the main full big box here, if you do the gold, it's month to month, it's $51.95. The silver term is a 6-month plan, which brings it to $45.95. And then the platinum is a 12-month term, bringing it down to $43 per box. The Little Bee hair accessories, we've created a magical experience for your little ones with our kids hair accessory box. Packed with wonder and excitement, each monthly box contains not just one, not two, but 5 delightful items that will bring joy to their hairdos. And this month we got more than 5 if you count them all individually. This one is gold, the month to month. It's $20.95. Silver is the 6-month, $17.95. And the full 12-month platinum is $15.99. They also have a one-time gift box. I absolutely love this idea. It's $65 and it has free US shipping. So if you know anybody who's going to be having a child, a baby shower, or a baby's birthday, anything like that, you can order the one-time box and have it shipped straight to them. Again, it's free US shipping, or you can ship it to yourself and you can wrap it and bring it with you if you are going to be attending the party or shower or birthday, whatever that is. If not, like I said, you can just ship it straight to them. So for the gift box, it says, introducing our beautiful baby gift box, the ultimate present for new parents or expecting moms. Packed with all the essentials for a happy and healthy baby, this gift box is perfect for baby showers, birthdays, or any special occasion. So if you don't have to go to the store and try to figure out like, okay, what do they need for this age? What can I get them? You don't have to do any of that. If you purchase that, they take all of that guesswork out for you. They get everything that's appropriate for that age child, and they curate that box for you, and everything is done. All you got to do is either ship it straight to them or give it to them when you go. Like, it's that easy. So $65 and free shipping for the one-time gift box. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.